This video will show you how to create scenes in your Total Connect app. Creating a scene will link the activities of selected devices in your home and make your life easier, safer, and more comfortable. To get started, press the three dots on the bottom right of the app. Select Scenes. Then choose Create Scene. Now, name your scene. For this example, let's name our scene Bedtime. Here, you decide what should trigger the scene. The scene can trigger during a certain time frame, or when a device is triggered, or the scene can be manually activated just by tapping a button in the app. Let's manually activate our bedtime scene. The next step is to choose the devices you would like to trigger in the scene. We'll select the security system, the thermostat, and the front door lock. At bedtime, when we tap to activate the scene, we'll set this so the security system will arm in the home mode. We'll also set the thermostat to be a comfortable 74 degrees and lock the front door. Then click on Next and check to make sure the scene is just the way you want it. If it looks good, press Save Scene. And that's all there is to it. Your bedtime scene has now been added. Nighty-night.